question 4. Now I thought this was quite difficult. You really had to spot that you're going to do this as a product of prime factors. So you break the 35 down into its prime factors and the 21 into its prime factors and the 15 as well. So you notice that 35 is 7 times 5 and 21 is 7 times 3 and 15 is 5 times 3. If you spot this, then you can just sort of work your way around. So we know that the height of this rectangle has to be the same as the height of this rectangle, and the only common number you've got there is 5, so that must be the 5. Therefore this must be the 7 and this must be the 3. And then just check, 7 times 5 is 35, yep, that's right. 3 times 5 is 15, yep, that's the area of that rectangle. And then given that this length is 7, so must this length be 7. And given this length is 3, so must this length be 3. And therefore we can see, and that works, the area of the top bit, 7 3s are 21. So we've established that the dimensions of this cuboid are 7 by 3 by 5. We can then work out the volume. So the volume of a cuboid is just base times height times depth. So 7 times 5 times 3, 105. Now it was interesting to note there was a mark going here for the units, even though the question doesn't say you must state your units. So this could be something going forward. So even if you can't get into the maths, if it's one of these questions where there's a unit, just put in the unit and you never know, you may get a mark for it. So, and remember, for volume, which is 3-dimensional, the units would be something cubed. For area, which is 2-dimensional, something squared. And just for a length, it would just be the unit on its own.